Hello, everyone. Do you know what steps asparagus goes through after harvest? Let's take a look. Vast field stretch, nurturing delicate asparagus for a global market. Skilled hands expertly harvest fresh asparagus directly from the fertile fields. From field to table, each asparagus spear is harvested with meticulous care, ensuring premium quality. From farm to factory, our produce travels swiftly, ensuring peak freshness. The journey of fresh asparagus begins in the sterile, high-tech receiving bays. Precision and efficiency define the automated handling of raw materials. A choreographed dance of steel and sensors ensures flawless material flow. Every movement is calculated, ensuring swift and damage-free transit. The initial sorting and staging are handled with automated precision. From transport to processing, the automated line ensures purity and speed. The journey continues as fresh asparagus enters the colossal hydro-cooling tunnel for rapid chilling. This rapid chilling method locks in freshness, maintaining the asparagus' crisp texture and vibrant color. The continuous flow ensures every spear receives uniform cooling, preparing it for the next stages of processing. Precision engineering ensures efficient water circulation and controlled temperature throughout the cooling process. The sheer volume of asparagus processed simultaneously demonstrates the factory's impressive capacity. The chilled spears are prepared for their journey to sorting and packaging, ensuring peak freshness. Advanced sensors confirm optimal chilling, guaranteeing product quality before further processing.
Temperature seems consistent across the batch.
The hydro-cooling tunnel, a marvel of modern engineering, ensures asparagus retains its peak quality. The meticulous hydro-cooling process concludes, leaving each asparagus spear perfectly refreshed. Precisely cooled, the vibrant asparagus spears begin their automated journey on the sorting line. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Each spear is meticulously analyzed by state-of-the-art optical scanners for precise grading. The automated line ensures every asparagus spear meets the highest standards for quality. Every individual spear undergoes rigorous, high-speed inspection, guaranteeing unparalleled quality. From a blur of motion, technology brings perfect order to every single asparagus spear. The heart of the sorting line, powerful optical scanners, constantly working with unparalleled accuracy. Robotic precision handles thousands of spears, maintaining continuous, flawless operation. Through a symphony of precise movements, the sorting line ensures unparalleled consistency. This is the future of food production: efficient, precise, and consistently delivering quality. Precision begins as vibrant asparagus spears enter an automated alignment system. The spears proceed into the cutting machine, ready for precise trimming. High-pressure water jets activate, preparing for an ultra-precise cut. The woody ends are swiftly discarded, maintaining a clean production line. Automated systems ensure every spear meets exacting quality standards. Each spear is precisely aligned, ready for its perfect cut. High-speed cameras capture every critical moment of the cutting process. The immense cutting machine efficiently handles continuous flow. Discarded ends are efficiently collected, maintaining a spotless environment. Every trimmed spear progresses seamlessly to the next automated stage. Every spear undergoes rigorous automated inspection post-trimming. The entire trimming process is a showcase of sophisticated automation. The journey continues, with expertly trimmed spears moving toward packaging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Robotic arms provide gentle yet precise guidance for delicate asparagus. Every detail of the cutting system ensures optimal performance and hygiene. From field to factory, freshly trimmed asparagus spears now enter the rigorous multi-stage washing process. Inside these state-of-the-art flumes, turbulent, purified water meticulously cleanses each spear. This rigorous purification ensures every trace of field residue is completely removed. Precise monitoring ensures optimal cleaning conditions are maintained throughout. Powerful yet gentle, precise water jets ensure every curve and crevice is clean. After multiple stages,
Fresh,
the pristine
vibrant
spears
green
emerge,
asparagus spears,
thoroughly cleaned
each
and
with
ready.
a firm, smooth stalk, tapering to a tightly closed.
Each spear is subjected to the same vigorous, yet protective, cleansing action. From initial entry to final rinse, human precision augments automated excellence. Pristine and refreshed, the asparagus spears are now perfectly prepared for their journey ahead. Colossal machines meticulously sort and gather asparagus into perfect, uniform bunches. The intricate ballet of automation brings together individual spears, forming precise, ready-to-package bunches. The advanced robotics execute a high-speed ballet of precision, processing countless spears with unmatched efficiency. Robotic woks spring to life, precisely combining ingredients for perfect stir-fry. Advanced induction heating ensures consistent, rapid cooking across all stations. Aromatic steam signals the culinary transformation underway. These colossal machines replicate a master chef's artistry with incredible speed. The automated wok haul operates with synchronized, high-tech efficiency. A perfectly emulsified finishing sauce begins its precise descent, coating every ingredient. The vibrant asparagus spears are enveloped, developing a lustrous, appetizing finish. Advanced robotics ensure consistent quality, adjusting the spray with unparalleled precision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. At the heart of production, the quality control expert ensures every batch meets perfection. Precision analysis guarantees consistent quality for every delicious serving. From sizzling woks, our stir-fry enters the freezing frontier, preserving perfect freshness. Inside, blasts of liquid nitrogen unleash extreme cold, instantly flash freezing every morsel. Automated systems ensure every piece achieves perfect, crystalline freezing. The super chilled product emerges, maintaining its pristine texture and flavor. Each batch is rapidly readied for the next stage of packaging and distribution. The journey through the cryogenic tunnel guarantees peak flavor and safety for consumers. The freshly frozen stir fry emerges, ready for precision sorting and packaging. A symphony of robotic arms descends, orchestrating precise portioning. With incredible speed, each arm portions the stir fry into eco-friendly trays. Every portion showcases the vibrant quality of the stir-fried asparagus with beef. Filled trays glide effortlessly, each a testament to automated precision. Robotic precision ensures every tray is perfectly sealed, preserving freshness and quality with unmatched speed. Advanced X-ray technology meticulously inspects each package, ensuring unparalleled food safety. Post-inspection, robotic arms deftly pack the verified products into shipping cases, ensuring efficiency and care. From ingredient to final package, every step ensures quality, safety, and efficiency for a premium product. Ready for distribution, these perfectly packaged meals represent the pinnacle of modern food manufacturing. Autonomous vehicles transport the finished product with precision and speed. The warehouse rises, a colossal grid where giant robotic cranes store and retrieve. Pallets are swiftly moved into position, seamlessly integrated into the grid. An orchestration of technology ensures every product is precisely managed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. This state-of-the-art system ensures optimal storage and swift retrieval. Advanced automation ensures every order of gourmet stir-fried asparagus with beef is perfectly prepared and delivered. From retrieval to final packaging, every step is optimized for speed and pristine condition. Autonomous robots meticulously prepare the finished product for its journey. Our products depart, ensuring freshness from our facility to tables nationwide.